Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to set fingerprint lock in Vivo Y19. If you are using Vivo Y19 and now you want to set up your fingerprint, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to tap on your phone settings, and after that just look for privacy and security or the password and security option. You just have to tap on it, and here you will get the fingerprint option. Just select it. First you have to enter your phone pin. After entering that, you can easily access the fingerprint setting. Here you can see I have added only one fingerprint. So now add this another one. Just tap on add fingerprint, and here just tap on start enrollment. And now you just have to place your finger on the fingerprint sensor, and after that just complete the process. You have to make sure that your fully fingerprint has been scanned, and after the process has been completed you just have to tap on done. In this you can easily set your fingerprint, and here are some fingerprint settings which is use fingerprint for unlock. If you have enabled these settings you can easily use your fingerprint for unlocking your device. But here another setting which is privacy and app encryption. If you have enabled this setting, so you can easily add your fingerprint to your privacy or app encryption settings. So that's how you can easily set up your fingerprint lock in your 119. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.